how to point a GoDaddy domain to a website. So I've just loaded up GoDaddy here. We want to click on our name in the top right, and then we'll go into my products. Now from the product section, we will scroll down until we see the domain that we want to redirect or point, and just click on manage. Now once we're taken to this page, from the left hand side, we will just select domain and find the domain which we want to redirect. Click on domain settings. Now right here we need to go into products, and if we scroll down a little bit after this page has loaded here, you will see connect domain. So forward your domain to an existing website. Once we select this option, it's going to show us a list of all the different websites to which we can point. But if we scroll all the way down, we can input any site here, so forward to any site. So if I do YouTube as an example here, once we have written the website URL, you will see this connect button. Just click on it, and this will forward your GoDaddy domain or point your GoDaddy domain to this specific website. I really hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.